Hey all, welcome to AI Daily. Let's get you up to speed on what's happening in AI today. First up, a truly game-changing release from Alibaba that's set to revolutionize creative workflows. They've just unveiled Qwen-Image-Layered, an open-source model that's being hailed as Photoshop grade for its ability to perform layered image decomposition. Imagine taking a complex image and having it output physically isolated RGBA layers with prompt-controlled structure, letting you specify anywhere from 3 to 10 layers. What's even more mind-blowing is its recursive infinite decomposition, layers within layers. This is fascinating stuff for anyone in design or digital art, offering unprecedented editability and clean text separation. What makes this even more exciting is its accessibility. Alibaba has made Qwen-Image-Layered available on Hugging Face, Modelscope, and GitHub, along with a detailed technical report. The community reaction has been swift and overwhelmingly positive, with early adopters praising its precision and the quality of text separation. We're already seeing it quickly integrated into serving platforms like FAL, which means this powerful tool is getting into creators, hands fast. Pay attention to this one. It's a huge leap for open-source creative AI. Now shifting gears to video generation, we've got a major development from Qwen. Their 2.6 motion control is creating a buzz with its enhanced image-to-video controllability. We're seeing multiple high-engagement demos showcasing how this isn't just about simple prompt-based control anymore. Qwen's new tech offers practical leverage for sophisticated character animation, especially through their video-to-video workflows. This means creators can achieve much more precise and consistent motion in their AI-generated videos, moving beyond the unpredictable nature of earlier models. And it's not just about the tech itself. Qwen is actively fostering a vibrant creator ecosystem around this new capability. They've launched an official contest to encourage experimentation with motion control, and creators are already sharing repeatable prompt recipes to help others achieve high-action, dynamic motion in their projects. This collaborative spirit is fantastic to see and will undoubtedly accelerate innovation in AI-powered video creation. Meanwhile, over at Runway, a big player in the AI video space, they've unveiled their GWM1 family, which includes GWM worlds, robotics, and avatars. These are described as offering frame-by-frame video generation with consistent camera motion and responsive interactivity, a massive step towards more controllable and professional-grade AI video. On top of that, their Gen 4.5 update brings crucial enhancements like integrated audio generation and multi-shot editing capabilities. This combination of consistent camera work, interactivity, and improved post-production tools is a significant step forward for anyone looking to produce high-quality, complex video content with AI. It's a huge leap towards more cohesive and professional AI filmmaking. And that's a wrap on today's AI headlines. Until next time,